into something one day on how we escape. Oh gosh. Okay, okay.
Did you see him?
Where am I going?
Did you see Papa?
Where am I going?
We're gonna go catch him.
No.
Go see him. Say Papa. Well, surprise! Hi.
Daz.
He's getting you.
Ah, look at you. Hi.
Did you bring books?
Hi, you blue-eyed
Good
monster.
Yay! Funny. Pull it hard! Pull it hard!
Your hair is so manageable today.
Good job! Do it again! Do it again! Go, go!
Hi.
You say hello? Who's there? Hello?
Hi.
Mama do it?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh, that one doesn't work. You have to use this one.
Mom.
Hello? Hi.
Hi. Hi.
I'm gonna try this one. Say hello.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Grandma. You'll be on my vlog.
All right.
Happy day to you. Happy day to you.
Go.
Right, get her, Desmond! Goose! Run, Desmond, run! Run!
Wait, let me see candy.
Where's Boo?
Let me see candy.
Where's Desmond?
Let me
Boo! Night night. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Cookie.
How old are you?
3.
And what's your favorite color?
Pink.
And who's your best friend?
Auntie.
Do you like mommy or daddy better?
Yeah.
You like everyone? What's your favorite animal?
Pig.
A pig? What's your favorite food? What kind? Turkey? Turkey. What's your favorite game?
Pig game.
What kind of game?
Pig.
Which one?
A pig game.
The paint game?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's that?
I like to.
What's your favorite ice cream?
Kitty.
Cherry?
Yeah.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Auntie.
You want to be Audrey? That's nice. Audrey's your best friend? Yeah.
You
And
Coffee.
and Cozy too. And what's your baby brother's name?
Daddy.
And how old is baby?
1.
1.
What your favorite?
And what do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas?
Present
Presents
and toy.
and toys?
Mommy.
Mommy?
Ow.
Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9.
Good! 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 18, 17, 18.
That's pretty good. All right. Okay, one more thing. Last thing. Can you tell everyone goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Blow kiss.